Hello everyone and welcome to Nigerian Stock Exchange Daily Market Review on what the chart says for today, the Wednesday, 24th of June, 2020. Let's go straight to the program, the agenda. We'll look at the market summary, then we'll start looking at the charts. We start with the all-share index, then we'll go to the sectors. Then we go to we look at one or two stocks and review all of them. On the market summary, the negative sentiment continues in the market, with the market losing about 0.38, not 38%, sorry for that, that's 0.38%. It closed at 24,655. The market breadth, as we always mention, is still negative with decline up to 22, and we have 17 stocks that advance. All this we got them from the Nigerian Stock Exchange website. Okay, looking at most active stocks, the first one is First Bank, with over 44 million traded, followed by Zenith Bank, Access, Japo and UBA. Japo has been leading for the past 2 days, but today it came first. Okay, now let's go further. The 5 top gainers. We have Champion, out of the bureaus, yeah. Aiko Insurance, NACO, Caveton, and Zenith Bank. Champions leading with 7.95%. Interesting thing there, because under the bureaus we have new lows from international bureaus and Guinness, I suppose, yeah. Okay, let's go further. Looking at the losers, 5 top loser, we have PZ losing 10%. Seplat, that's all I got. Glazo, Guinness, yeah, that's what I said. Guinness losing 9%, and Nigerian bureaus also coming on the top loser today. So for the 52-week high, none. We have nothing. No stocks make new highs for today, but we have 3 coming lows. 52-week low, Guinness, international bureaus, and Seplat. Okay, most volatile, Unity Bank came top. Japo, PZ, Seplat, and international bureaus. Unity Bank. Okay, now let's go to the chart and look at what happened with our charts and try to analyze it, what is going on. Okay, back to chart now. This is the monthly. We can see data is still falling. Is it coming down to visit the bullish candlestick here? Will it find some support above that? Yeah, this point looks strong. Okay, now let's look at what happened today. Let's see what happened today. Yesterday As I mentioned, that was a rejection with bulls coming late into the market, and I mentioned that we see some bulls early in the market. Let's look at 1 hour chart. What happened? 24th, yeah, you can see the first hour ended bullish. So after that, we have bears taking over heavily. Okay, so for now, bears are in control, and as I've been saying for the past 1 week, we should expect something market to react uh, at this level, but I'm still looking much downward. Let's look at the volume. What does the volume say? It's growing. The bears are taking the day. The volume is growing while the price is going down as well. Okay, nothing much to discuss other than uh, the market is just going down. But at some point, it will find support. It will find support on the daily time frame. You can find support at 24,400. Let's look at the weekly. On the weekly, let me remove this volume. On the weekly, the support can be here. Does it extend? Let's see. Anything happen here? Yeah, on the weekly, yeah, it's above. No, on the weekly, you can find some support. Yeah, it's already there, so you can find some support here. You can find support at what value? That's 24,000. Okay, but on the monthly, I think it's a much deeper level. That's about 23,000. So 1,000 apart between monthly and the weekly. So traders and investors need to be careful in the market. It's still trending down. Market is still trending down. So it's quite bullish. It's quite bullish early in the year. From this is April, from April, so it's pulling back. You should expect that. You should expect that the market will pull back. So, but for now, let the bears take on, do whatever they like to do. Okay, now let's look at the sectors. Let me go to the sectors. What is happening? The sector, consumer goods at the support level now. Will there be any reaction? The general market is still going down. It's making lower lows, and insurance is also making lower low. Though today, it rose a little bit. Uh, Oil and gas. Wow, it's a big fall from the oil and gas. That's very bearish. Today was very bearish for oil and gas. The banking is a little bit bullish. It rose a little bit, but all in all, I think the insurance should have the highest today, while followed by banking. Let's look at the chart of individual. That's something is interesting there. Let's go to the consumer goods. Let me remove the volume first. Yeah, I think we look at the monthly. Yeah, it looks dangerous so far on the monthly. If the month ends like this, I'm afraid consumer goods might be trending further down. Selling pressure going on the monthly. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly rejection, selling pressure. It's not looking good. I support here in a way for the weekly, and that's at 395 on the monthly. Any support level? Yeah, I might visit the low, the weeks, the high of April, or where the volatility started from, 371. Okay, so it's not looking good as far as I'm concerned. But on short term, it looks good. Short term business looking good. It makes new highs, creating swing high there. So it might find some support here. I expect it to make some little reversal. Then if this resistance is strong, continues downward. All right, let's go to oil and gas. Why is it going down? Well, fundamentally, it might be going down based on the supply, a global supply problem. That's today's candle. Very, very bearish. All right, monthly. On the monthly level, was it doing? Oh, almost okay. Looking interesting though. That is a good support on the monthly. Will it hold? Will there be any rejection in this month, or will it continue downward? Less time to tell. Let's You continue to watch your oil and gas sector. What's happening there? All right, let's go to banking. Banking. A few of them that made new, created new. Is it new? Yeah, I couldn't remember what I presented earlier. All right, but yeah, it's on support level. A support level yesterday was a rejection, but it's a bearish rejection today. I don't like what's going on there, but will it be a reversal? Will it be a reversal? Let me see what is happening on the weekly, on the higher time frame. Let the week finish first. You should wait for the week to run down. It's looking interesting. It's looking interesting, but I'm expecting it to fall up to where the volatility is. But that's what we have today. The inside bar is creating inside bar, which is reversal. But the data, let's see the volume. Any interesting thing about the volume? Yeah, a little bit, but not fantastic. As far as I'm concerned, I'm expecting the market could continue downward. All right. Let's go to, that's the review of the sectors. Let's see. There are some stocks that makes new low, especially the bearish. Is it because of COVID? People did not go out to drink, and that's what I'm thinking. And the companies they are losing customers. Let's see Nigerian bearish. Nigerian bearish was positive today. Let me see. Nigerian bearish. Lagos. Yeah. No, it wasn't positive. Wow. Okay. No, it wasn't positive. It was not positive. It's going down. Yeah, Guinness make new low. Let's see Guinness today. Guinness. Lagos. Ooh. Am I wrong? Guinness double hand. Okay, yeah, this is the Guinness I'm looking for. It makes a new low on high volume. Yeah, will there be any opportunity here? Let's see. Wow. If there's any rejection, this is monthly charts. It's already, that's making lower low, new low, new low. This is monthly. Wow. Let's see if there's going to be any rejection. What happened here? No rejection. Rejection here is continues downward. Let's see. Yeah, this should be on the watch list actually. Except Guinness is packing up as a company in Nigeria. If there's a rejection in a couple of months, that would be a good trade. All right, let's see international bureaus as well. International bureaus. It also made new low today. International bureaus. Interbury. Lagos. I think. Let me check. I think I should have it. My list. Nigerian bureaus. International bureaus. No, let me search for it. International bureaus. No, I don't have it here. No, it's not possible. Okay, all right. Well, I don't have it on my list as well, but I've forgotten the symbols. So we'll watch out for the bureaus, Nigerian bureaus MB. Let's see. I think we look at that before on the monthly. Yeah. This looks good. On the monthly, yeah, we should. It might get to 20. Yeah, about 30. About 30. Let me see. Weekly might be 25, between 25 and 30. This on the daily. Yeah, between 25 and 30 is what we should. It should be on the washout or watch list or this bureaus. Okay, that's the analysis today, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be closing today. If you have any questions or comment, drop it below. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.